In the field of metallurgy, the direct cold briquetting technology of iron concentrate powder has won the enthusiastic pursuit of major steel plants with its unique charm. Simply mixing iron concentrate powder, binder and water in proportion, and then performing cold briquetting and processing on the equipment. This not only eliminates the sintering, pelletization and high-energy consumption roasting processes, but also achieves significant reductions in production costs and energy consumption. It is worth mentioning that the briquettes produced by this technology have a compact structure and good compressive strength, which further improves production efficiency. At the same time, it effectively suppresses the emission of pollutants during the baking process, highlighting the concept of green production in the era and contributing actively to environmental protection. In the context of fierce market competition, the production method that can achieve low cost and high efficiency is more favored and respected. The cold-pressed briquettes of iron concentrate powder are expected to occupy a dominant position in future steel production due to their low cost, high quality, environmental friendliness and other characteristics.